Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a problem in 7 days. This is an NLP technique and I found it in a book by Marcus Katz called Tarosophy. Marcus Katz is someone who combines tarot and NLP in a very interesting way. So what we're going to do is we're going to select one card to represent your problem and one card to represent the solution, or at least the energy that could bring about the solution. Okay, firstly, ask yourself, in which area of your life is your problem? If it's in the area of goals or values, you want to select a card from the suit of batons. If it's in the area of emotions and relationships, choose cups. If it's financial, choose pentacles. And if it's in the area of ideas or conflicts or fights, choose swords. Now let's say you have a financial problem. We're going to go into pentacles, okay? Now I want you to ask yourself, how long has this been going on, this problem? On a scale of 1 to 10, is it a very new problem? That would be a 1. Has it been going on for your entire life? That's a 10. Let's say this problem has been going on for quite a while. It's getting a bit of a bore. So let's take the sexy gardener, the 7, in the suit of pentacles, which we've chosen. Now we're going to select a card to represent the solution, or the energy for the solution to this problem. We're going to select a court card from the suit that we've chosen, from the suit of pentacles. So now ask yourself, what kind of energy is likely to solve this problem? Is it an energy of intelligence? Then take the king. Is it emotional intelligence you need? Then take the queen. Is it more of an intuitive energy? Then take the knight. Is it more about work, research, thoroughness? Then choose the page. Now I'm going to say that we've gone for intuition because the Knight of Pentacles is such a great and sexy card in this Morgan Greer deck. Now, next step, very interesting. I want you to find a place, bedside table or windowsill, which will be undisturbed for a week, and lay the cards out. Lay these cards out with 6 face down cards between them. Now, every morning when you get up, I want you to go to this special place and move the solution card 1 step closer to the problem card. And this is how it'll go, 1 day at a time. On the last day, take the solution card and lay it on top of the problem card. Leave it there for a day or 2 and see what happens. Bye. If you've enjoyed this video, you might like to consider subscribing to my channel. It makes a difference. Thank you.